So let's talk about between 10,000 to 15,000. This tends to be the most common budget that I see. It's people that understand that you can't get kitchens for £10,000 anymore, but the budget's still, we want to keep it on the lower end, and that's fine. And we do a lot of kitchens within this range. So typically, if a client asks for a kitchen within between 10 to 15,000, immediately I'd be saying absolutely fine, but try and stick to your slab style doors. So whether that's just a plain slab, which is the least expensive kitchen you can get, or like a J-pull door as well, which is a tier up, but it's still quite affordable. For the worktops, I'd probably be suggesting sticking with laminate worktops, which are obviously the lower end, but we can get nice embossed premium effect laminates. So, it doesn't have to be cheap and cheerful all the time. Sometimes within the 10 to 15k budget, we can actually upgrade to a lower band quartz, like a Carrara marble. It all depends on, and this is something we talk about a lot with kitchens, it all depends on your priority. So if you're somebody that sort of cooks very specific meals and you need appliances that can cater for that, such as steam cooking or self-cleaning ovens or venting hobs, if your priority is on the gadgets and the appliances in the kitchen, it might be that we need to claw back on other things such as worktops or storage. If your priority is, I need lots of workspace because I do a lot of baking, then fine, maybe we can claw back on some of the appliances, maybe go with a lesser brand, or not have as many drawers in the kitchen. Like it's all down to your priority. But every now and then within the 10 to 15k budget range, we can upgrade it to those quartz worktops and keep it within that budget. And of course, within that as well comes the other parts of the kitchen. So a sink, a tap, probably not a boiling tap. But again, it all depends. If you go laminate tops, you could probably afford to get a boiling tap. If you go quartz tops, you probably can't get a boiling tap. So there's always a sacrifice here and there, but yeah, it's doable. If you found this helpful, just let me know in the comments and tell us what other questions you'd like answered. Thanks for watching and good luck planning your kitchen project.